Welcome, my name is Caramello, and today what we're going to be looking at is how to change the color of your Xbox controller. This one right here, trying to connect it right now. So typically these are white, these little LEDs on the front here, but we want to see how we can get those to change all sorts of colors like green, purple, yellow, all of your typical RGBs. But first, we got to do a few things. First, I want you guys to check out my brand new channel over here, Thomas Watts. We've got 100 subscribers. We currently have just under 5,000 views on the page, guys. Please go there, show your love and support. At the moment, we've got about 3,000 views on this video right here. How much I've been making off this YouTube channel you're watching now. Absolutely incredible. Love the support, guys. But with that said, going down to the description of this video, you're going to get a hyperlink that is inside a Word document. Just download it. It's going to be in this one. You're going to open that one up, and then once you're in there, you got to head over to, so I'll read out the name of that one. So there's a hyperlink in here in your Word document. It's called Controller Modus Default Exchange. So what you want to do is you want to go over and you want to open up your command prompt. Now, from your command prompt, it's going to have pretty much nothing. So what you want to do is you want to type in ASOC. Hit that one up, and then through here you're looking for a template number. Now I'll just go through because I haven't done this in a little while. I'm looking for template 8, I believe. It might be at the bottom. Template. That's the one. Template 8. Excel sheet 8. So that's the one there. I think template 8, that's the only one we got there. Yep, the other one is Excel sheet. Okay, so once you see template 8, what you want to do is when you come over that piece of code, you want to highlight the 8. All you got to do is backspace, and at this point, now that you've backspaced that, I want you to turn your controller on. I want you to connect it to your PC. So mine's connecting now. Alright, that's now connected. And all you want to do is click on that 8 again, and all you got to do is type 12. Now it's going to come up at the bottom, but you've clicked on the template, so that's all good. And all you want to do from here is you want to press A on your controller. So I'm going to press A. From there, all you guys want to do is just minimize, close all that, head back over to the hyperlink. In that hyperlink, it's going to take you back to that same command prompt. So we'll head back over, and all you want to do this time is go to the same ASOC with your controller still connected. Keep that in mind. You want to go to template 12 now. Not template, sorry. Excel sheet 12. So on here, you just want to highlight the pair of those. Same thing. Backspace. And all you want to do, so in my one, I've changed it to 8 on the template. So I've changed 8 to 12 on the template. So I now need to make the Excel sheet the same if I want the color to be corresponding. So 12, understanding that it is still 12. Excel sheet was 12 to begin with. We have to do this as a part of the step. So you have different color bindings from 1 to, I think, there's a few colors. I've only ever tested up to like 25, but depending on 1 to 25, you get a variety of different colors. The same as like an RGB remote sort of thing, which I'll show you just here. Similar to that. Get a range of different colors. So for example, 1 could be yellow, 2 could be orange, etc, going all the way to purple and blue. So that's why we want different colors. And if you're going to change a color, all you got to do is you're going to change this one to whatever it is. So I chose 12, which I believe is going to be a green, and I'll change this one, highlighting the pair, to 12 also. So I've already done that here, and all you want to do is do the same exact thing. Press A on your controller, and then to exit out of this one. Now, a part of this now is you just want to reset your whole system. It's going to reset the controller, whatever else, and then you're going to come back. I'll show you guys the steps after that. Alright guys, just restarted the computer. Cancel. All you want to do from here is you'll see that your controller is no longer connected, nothing's on. You're probably going to try to turn that on, and it's going to be the same color. What you want to do is go back into your same command prompt. Now, it's really weird that you don't need a Xbox for this, and they purposely do it that way. You don't want to do this on an Xbox because you can't get command prompt on an Xbox. It's really hard to get into the settings and whatnot. So we do it on a computer, just as simple. You're connected to Xbox anyway through Windows. It's not going to work on a MacBook. I apologize. I should have made that disclaimer at the start. But heading over to the same thing, you don't want to touch anything this time. You just want to go down to the very bottom and you just want to press enter. That's it. Enter. Enter with a capital E. My apologies. Backspace that. Enter with a capital E. And all you want to do is you want to press enter on the same key. Done. Exit. Now, all you want to do is you just want to restart your controller. Take the batteries at the back and press that little restart button on the back. I'll be back with you guys after that. So, I'm going to take the batteries out of this one. Sorry, I've only got one hand. Take all the batteries out of the back. And there should be a little reset button on the inside here. Just finding it. Look, the reset button is a solution umero last. You only want to reset if it doesn't work the first time, and then you can redo all these steps and reset the controller. But taking the batteries out should do the trick, and I'll show you guys that now. Alrighty guys, get the controller here, put the batteries back in the back. Here's the moment of truth. We're going to start it up, and we're going to see what color we have. Sorry guys, that was odd. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you guys what some other different colors look like on this. But for now, this is the green. And I'll go back and I'll change a couple more colors and see what I can get for like a blue or something. And there, my friend, is an example of the blue color. That is absolutely amazing. Cannot believe that. Guys, we can literally do every single color on this remote. At the moment, I've got a roughly, I think the digits were 17, which gets about this sort of blue. But I reckon if I went for a 19, I get a much darker, almost purplish blue. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your time and attention. Drop a comment on what you thought on the video and let me know if this worked for you guys. Thank you. Remember to follow every single step in this video to the T, or this may not work. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next one.